Let me start with a simple sentence, but one that has a deep impact. You'll understand a woman's true feelings more from your absenthethen, from your presence. Seriously, as long as you're always there. Texting first, calling, checking on her, giving attention, giving effort. She doesn't have to think about anything. She feels comfortable. She feels secure. She feels confident because your attention makes everything feel safe. But the moment you pull back, not disappearing dramatically, not being rude, not ghosting harshly, just stop chasing. That's when something starts moving in her mind. And most men never see this part. This isn't a game. I tease self-respect. Let's clear something up first. This isn't manipulation. This isn't pretending not to. Kara, this isn't playing games. This is about self-respect. Sometimes our presence becomes normal. Our consistency becomes expected. Human nature is simple. We stop appreciating what's always available. But when you step back without drama, without arguments, everything shifts. She starts noticing. She starts thinking. She starts feeling. And her reaction to your absence reveals her true emotions. If she cares, your silence will disturb her thoughts. If she doesn't, she'll replace you easily. Either way, you get your answer. 1. Confusion. Why did he change? The first emotion she feels is confusion. Even if she looked indifferent before, even if her effort wasn't equal to yours. Women always notice effort. They just don't always admit how much they enjoyed it when your effort suddenly stops. Her mind reacts. Why is he quiet? Did I do something wrong? What changed? Women are sensitive to pattern shifts. If you were always the one texting first and suddenly you're gone, that creates a void. And here's the truth. If she truly didn't care, she wouldn't feel confused. She'd feel relieved. Confusion means your presence mattered more than she admitted to. Curiosity, what is he doing without me? After confusion comes curiosity. She won't ask directly, but her mind keeps working. Is he talking to someone else? Is he happier without me? Why does he seem so calm? You become unpredictable, and unpredictability increases. Attraction. Women don't like uncertainty, especially when they're used to control. She might check your social media more often. Notice who likes your posts. Pay attention to your activity quietly. 3. DOUBT. Did I mess this up? This is the turning point now. She stops blaming you and starts reflecting on herself. She replays old conversations, remembers when she ignored your effort, recalls the consistency she took for granted, and slowly she realizes you weren't a burden, you were an asset. Women only question themselves. They feel they might have lost someone valuable if you weren't important. She wouldn't think this deeply. For jealousy, who has his attention now? Once doubt enters, jealousy follows. Even if she doesn't say it, a small like from another woman. It can feel like a threat. Seeing you calm and happy without her, that disturbs her. Jealousy equals attachment. If she truly didn't care, she wouldn't feel it. 5. Regret. I should have treated him better. This phase hits harder. She realizes you weren't just another guy. You were consistent, you cared, and you left with dignity. Regret only a portion. Something valuable is lost. Now other men start to look average, and comparison makes her remember you. More 6. Missing you. Why does it feel empty? This is no longer mental. It's emotional. She feels the absence of comfort, the routine, tension, your steady energy. And what makes the longing stronger? You didn't leave angry. You didn't beg. You walked away calmly. Women, Miss Manuel, can live without them. 7. Wanting to come back? Is the door still open? Eventually, one question appears. Is it still possible? So she tests the waters. A like a reply to your story. A random message. Not always because she's playing games. But because her ego is no longer winning, this is where many men fall. They rush back. They start chasing again. A mature man stays calm. He waits for real effort, not just signals. Because a woman who truly feels loss will make real moves. Closing, bro. A woman often realizes your value when you're no longer there. Your silence shows standards. Your distance shows strength. If she's worth it, she'll feel it. If she's not, she'll leave. Either way, you win. Because a man who can walk away without injuries, hard to forget. Let your absence speak. The right woman will respect it. The wrong one will regret it. And you'll always come out stronger. Thanks for watching.